Now this customer is talking about bats, because she's hearing stuff in the walls, in the ceiling at certain hours. I don't think that's what she's hearing, because there's an awful lot of opportunities for bats to get in here, and that's a bat dropping right there, and that's some shady ceiling job there and a wide open area there. But let's say we do get rid of the bats, right? So now look at all these branches leading right to the hole, right to the roof. So you got to figure they're going to take advantage of that. Squirrels are. So they've got a double here. They've got squirrels and bats, and we're going to have to deal with the squirrels first. Bats aren't going anywhere. We'll get the squirrels kicked out of here, and then we will deal with the bats as soon as all the snow melts. And then we'll get this all trimmed up after the squirrels are out, and then we'll deal with the bats. But yeah, you can't have this kind of stuff here. It'll tear up your siding in the wind and your shingles and all of that. So let's not do that. And that's the order I would do it in. That's the order I'm going to do it in. That's what I'd recommend to anybody. If you do your bat work first, it's going to if you do your bat work first, then the squirrels will destroy it, because they can chew and bats can't. Right. Don't forget to like and subscribe.